Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be talking about the economic impact payments within your individual tax return for 2021. Let's go. During the 2021 tax year, the IRS issued specific payments to qualified individuals as part of the third economic stimulus package that was passed by Congress and signed by the President. This payment was called Economic Impact Payment 3. Why this one is 3? It's because two economic stimulus payments were issued during 2020 and the third was in 2021. And that's what I am talking about in this video. The third one only since it happened in 2021. Now, why am I talking about it at this time? What happened is that the IRS recently issued a letter to every person who received this payment during the 2021 tax year. This letter is called Letter 6475. Let me show you an example of how this letter looks like. As you can see, the bottom of this letter shows the letter number 6475, and I circle it here, and on the top here there usually appears the address, the name and address of the recipient, and in this area usually the total number issued by the IRS to the individual, either one payment or a couple of payments or whatever number of payments. Here it shows the total amount received by the taxpayer during the year. Now, what do you need to know about this letter and your individual tax return filing obligation? The good news is that this payment or payments, if you received more than one, are not taxable, which means you will not need to enter it in your individual tax return as a taxable income. So you are good with this one. However, you need to report it in your tax return. The question is, how do you do that? And by the way, it is in your favor to report the total amount listed in this letter, simply because if the IRS for any reason gave you an amount less than the amount you were entitled to, then you will get the difference when you report what you received. In this slide, as you can see, this is called Recovery Rebate Credit Worksheet. And either you scroll down until you reach line number 13. In this box, you enter the amount that you received from the IRS, as shown in the letter that I mentioned before, or just enter it in this box here, and it is going to update the form. The big question is, what if you did not receive any economic impact payments during the 2021 tax year, and you believe that you were qualified to receive one? At least one. The solution is to file your 2021 individual tax return this tax season and include 0 in box 13 of the Recovery Rebate Credit Worksheet. Let me show you the entry again and why is it essential to put 0 in that box. As you can see here, you just put 0 either in here or in this box. It's the same. Once you put 0, the system automatically calculates the amount of economic impact payment 3 that you were entitled to. Now, the question, what if you just left it blank here? In this situation, the system will assume that you received your entitled economic impact payment, and it will not be calculated for you. Therefore, it is in your favor to put 0 in this form to receive your entitled payment. Let me conclude with one final thought about this. Taxpayers might have changes in their dependents who are qualified to receive this economic impact payment in 2021, but they did not receive it. For example, if a new child was born in 2021 and the parents did not receive the EIP3 for this dependent, because the IRS assessed the economic impact payment 3 based on the taxpayer's previous year's tax return information. So they don't know about the newborn child. It becomes in your favor to make sure you fill out the recovery rebate credit worksheet and include it in your 2021 individual tax return file. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please email me or post your comment and I will promptly address them. And see you in my next video. Goodbye.